Hello, good morning friends. Today is the first class of botany. First we start heredity and variation. Heredity and variation. Before going to the chapter, we have to know what is gene, what is allele. Gene is the basic unit of life. And in every chromosome and DNA, genes are present. Then, what is chromosome? In first year class, we have already discussed about the cell division. How the chromosome divides or how the cell divides and how the cells convert to two cells from one cells and four cells to one cell. In mitosis, there is formation of two similar type of cells, and in meiosis, there is formation of four cells, one cell. And before that, these are the chromatids. These are the genes. Genes present which are called allele, and these are the homologous chromosomes. When the genes present in the chromosome at a particular point, then these are called as alleles. And the genes are the genes or the alleles are the carriers of characters from one generation to the next. Or before then we know what is heredity. Heredity is the transmission of characters from parents to the offspring. Only due to the heredity, children are alike their parents or grandparents, sisters and brothers are look like alike. This is called heredity. And the variation is what is heredity? The transmission of characters from parents to offspring is called as heredity. And what is variation? Though the characters transfer from parents to offspring, but they do not look alike totally, or the characters equal to the characters not similar to their parents, that is called variation. Heredity is the transmission of characters from parents to offspring. For this, the offspring shall look like their parents. Most of the natures are similar to their parents. For this, it is called as heredity. But variation is though the genetic transfer or transmission occurs, but they are not equal totally, or they are not look like totally. That is called variation. To know what exactly transfer from parents to offspring, Mendel have done a lots of experiment, and after a lots of experiment, he concluded that gene is the thing which carry the characters, and for this Mendel was called as father of genetics. And to carry out their experiment, Mendel took Pygium sativum plant, which is the pea plant. Mendel took Pygium sativum plant for the experiment. And to carry out the experiment, he took 23 varieties of plants. He took 23 varieties of plants, and he took 7 contrasting characters for each experiment. First character is smooth form of seed, and wrinkled form of seed. Then yellow flower and green flower. Then height of plant, tall plant versus dwarf plant. Then hardboard versus softboard. In 5 he took axial flowers against terminally placed flowers. Flowers versus terminally placed flowers. And then 6 is yellow cotyledons versus green cotyledons. Yellow seed fern versus green seed fern. This type of 7 characters he took because these are the contrasting characters which he can justify or show the difference what is the gene carry from parents to offsprings. And for this Mendel was success due to various reasons. First reason is lucky choice of materials. He took Pygium sativum, in which he can show different type of varieties, like these 23 type of varieties. And Pygium sativum is a bisexual plant for which he can hybrid in between. For F1 generation, he can hybridize the parental flower. Though Pygium sativum is an annual plant, he could see all the characters or hybrid forms. If he took mango plant, then he had to wait for 20 years or 30 years for the seed germination or fruit germination. So for this he took the annual plant. Different types of reagents are there for which